everyone, I'm Stevie with Griot's Garage, and I'm excited to introduce you to our digital tire inflating gun. Here's the deal, tire pressure isn't just a number. It's your grip on the road, your fuel efficiency, and even your safety. At Griot's Garage, we're all about getting the details right, and that's why we're proud to show you our digital tire inflating gun. Now, this isn't your average inflating gun. It measures and adjusts tire pressure with extreme precision, down to 0.1 psi. So your tire pressure is dialed in with pro-level accuracy. You can easily inflate by fully pulling the trigger or release air by pulling it halfway, giving you complete control for quick, accurate adjustments. It's built to last too, with a thick rubber shroud that protects the unit from inevitable drops, years of wear, and even shields your wheels from accidental bumps. My favorite feature is the large backlit LCD screen, which makes it easy to read whether you're in bright daylight or in the dark, like that one dimly lit corner of your garage. Plus, it's battery powered and comes with 2 AAA batteries, so you're ready to roll straight out of the box. It even has a low battery indicator and an auto shutoff feature to preserve battery life for when you need it. The 20-inch heavy-duty rubber hose and locking air chuck make getting a secure connection quick and hassle-free. And speaking of hassle-free, this inflating gun comes with our Air stainless steel high-flow plug already installed and a standard flow brass plug in the box. So no matter what your needs are, you're ready to plug and play. Did I mention you have the ability to measure in PSI, bar, KPA, or KGF with this gun? No matter your preference, you can easily change the units of measure. If you really want to take things up a notch, check out our Air High Flow Safety Coupler. It pairs perfectly with this inflating gun and ensures maximum airflow efficiency. The digital tire inflating gun is your go-to tool for dialed-in tire pressure every time. We hope you found this video helpful and plan to try out our digital tire inflating gun for yourself. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.